So if you ask something, mean it. So don't ask just, hey, how are you? So actually, how are you? The biggest problem with the human being, actually, it's us, everyone. Most of the time, you're just not paying attention to what people are saying. You're just waiting for them to stop talking for you to say something is matter. So it's good to listen. It's important to listen, engage, but maybe come back and say, yeah, but you told me that actually you like apples. But have you tried green apple? Simple thing like this. You engage. You are paying attention to what they're saying. Because they thought, okay, I like apple pie. So apple pie is great. But which type of apple? Is that the green? Is that the red? Which one? People tend to like you. They trust what you're saying because you have this engagement. You're just talking about, you're listening and then just like, it's an exchange. It's back and forward.